Justin with AmericanMuscle.com here with my detailed review and install of the Roush catback exhaust system, available for your 2015 and newer 3.5 liter EcoBoost powered F-150. This review is going to cover my thoughts on the sound profile you can expect when using the Roush catback on your EcoBoost powered F-150. We're going to break down the construction and the materials, and then finally we'll cover some of the big steps of the actual install. And because the Roush system is designed to fit all cab and bed size F-150s, some slight modification to the actual system may be necessary. Even still, I'm going with a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and we will cover a little bit more detail later on. Roush systems are definitely going to be one of the most popular in the category for both the Mustang and F-150 alike, and should appeal to the EcoBoost owners out there looking for a very aggressive system and one that will give you a good bit more volume over your factory system, especially when hard on the pedal. You should also look forward to a little bit more interior noise, a little bit more turbo noise as well, and a very high quality build and fitment. And since this is an exhaust after all, let's dive head first into the sound clips here. And as you guys heard, and as I pointed out earlier, in my opinion, the Roush is going to be a very aggressive system, especially for the EcoBoost platform. In fact, probably one of the most aggressive systems I've currently heard. Not quite as loud as the Borla ATTAK or the Flowmaster Outlaw, for instance, but you're certainly going to turn some heads with this thing installed. So breaking out my wake to neighbor scale, I'm going strong 4 out of 5 here, guys. You do pick up a little bit of noise inside the cab as well, but it's nothing overpowering or obnoxious. And while we're on the topic of sound, I really do want to point out too that in my opinion, the Roush has great street manners. And what do I mean by that? Well, in my opinion, this thing, yes, it will be loud when you want it to be, basically when you're hammering on the truck, but at the same time, when you're cruising on the highway or just cruising around town, you can barely tell it's there. And this is something that's not always easy to achieve with the more aggressive systems, and it's one thing that I think this system does very well. Another thing this catback does well is the build, and that's really no surprise coming from a company like Roush. Absolutely top-notch quality from tip to tip, and as someone who has actually visited Roush, taken a look at their facilities, I can just personally attest their level of production and quality is just on another level completely, and that really does come through with their products, including the system. And this seems like a great time to transition into the construction and materials here with the Roush. Premium grade 304 stainless steel throughout here, including the mandrel bent 3-inch tubing, the straight through by design muffler here from Roush, and finally the twin 4-inch slash cut tips with the rolled edge, and they've actually been embossed with the Roush logo there, as you can see. Now the tips themselves are actually chrome flashed. This is a process Roush claims it's going to increase the longevity and the durability of that finish over the years, and the tips will exit in the factory location behind the passenger side rear tire. However, with this kind of dual staggered tip look, I think it looks really cool when installed, and it just gives the truck a more modified look. And with all that said, I think the Roush is going to be one of the better values on the site when it comes to grabbing an aftermarket system and still get some of the premium materials that you can for south of $1,000. Now this is going to put it right in line with some of the Stainless Works lineup, but it's still going to be a good deal less than some of the heavy hitters in the category, such as Corsa and Borla, for instance. Switching gears, let's get into the install here a little bit more with the Roush system. And as I pointed out at the very top of this video, there may be some slight modification necessary depending on your cabin bed size, but this is not a difficult task to modify. Simply follow Roush's very detailed instructions, measure twice, cut once using the appropriate tools, and you really should be good to go. Now, I prefer personally using a vise, sawzall, fresh metal blade, and it should cut this thing like nothing. But either way, I'm sticking to my strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and maybe an hour or 2 from start to finish before you have everything in place. Aside from those cutting tools we just talked about, you're really only looking at a basic socket set here to help you get the Roush system in place, and along with a hanger removal tool. If you don't have one of those laying around the shop or garage, no big deal. A simple flathead screwdriver or a pry bar usually will suffice just fine. And personally, I always like to use a little WD-40 or PB Blast on the exhaust hangers, basically those rubber grommets. It just makes removal much easier. As far as actual wrenching here on your F-150, well, obviously you'll need to get that factory system out of the way first using your socket set. Fair warning though, guys, this factory system can be a little big and bulky to muscle around the shop by yourself, so if you have an extra set of hands, now would be a great time to use them. With that out of the way, simply get to work installing the Roush in reverse order. I recommend starting from front to back. Get the system hanging first before your final tighten up, and you should be good to go. Roush systems have always been one of my top choices for many different platforms, and they certainly don't disappoint here with the newer F-150 offerings. If you're an EcoBoost owner out there and you're a fan of the aggressive systems, then I think you're going to find a lot to enjoy here with the Roush Catback. On the other hand, if you're not a big fan of that turbo V6 noise, you might want to keep shopping for something that will be a little quieter. Either way, that is my review of the Roush Catback for your EcoBoost powered F-150, which you can grab right here at AmericanMuscle.com.